The ground. All right, first car with the trailer. Actually, I'm gonna count the Grandma Keys. That's the first one we told this year. It's gonna be the second. Every time I get caught, we can drive the motherfuckers back. But got this nigga. Oh man, it's gonna be a long ride, bro. This nigga. Got a motherfucking cigar. God.
Too much of that shit. Nigga say, yeah. That right, yeah. Get in there, get in there, get in there. Get him up out of here, 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 get him up out of here. I say, yeah, yeah, that right, get him up out of here. Get up in there, 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 get him up out of there, get him up out of here. Yeah, you thought I wasn't gonna be back, but I thought I wasn't gonna be back. I know I'm not that. I know I might be whack, but how about this shit? Cause I made this track. My brother done recorded this for me, and then I'm back up in the streets, and I'm always in the streets. I might be on your block tomorrow, nigga. Hot block tomorrow, nigga. Top, tomorrow, nigga. Molly top. Fuck what you say, nigga, the block not hot. Yeah, niggas just whack, but it's isn't but scratch. Say, don't stop, you stop. Ain't no listening ties, I burn out Russell. Ain't nothing like doing nothing Pepe. Ain't nobody caught me today. I don't know what tomorrow bring, nigga. I don't give a fuck what tomorrow bring. I'ma tell you what I'ma bring that rain storm, thunder thing, nigga. I'ma bring that Charlie Sheen, nigga. I'ma bring that brush with me. I got a breast on 360, ready to keep it. Think I won't be on your block tomorrow. Hey, you thought I was a pussy boy. Let me show you something about this nigga, boy. I don't never make no noise. I might be a retarded nigga, fat nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Black niggas, black out, and white niggas. I'm like, nigga say, that right, yeah. Get in there, get in there, get in there. Get him up out of here, 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 get him up out of here. I say, yeah, that right, get him up out of here. Hey, get up in there, 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 get him up out of there, get him up out of there, hey.
Get him up out of there. Hop in the bitch with the Cartier. I can see him from the lens, niggas ain't a part of here. Young nigga from the streets, but I don't see him in the streets. Niggas wasn't at the corner store at the Big East. rat, he chasing cheese. It's cold like Mr. Freeze. It get cold without the breeze. I'm walking without the keys. Might be swiping with these. This ain't no Halloween, bitch. This ain't no trick or treat. I need a bag or something. I need the cash refunded. How about the whip on crash or something? Hop in your home, I'm smashing something. Niggas be thinking I'm trash or something. Niggas be thinking he hoes. Niggas be spinning the last or something. Niggas don't fuck with the bros. I done made it from the gutter, can't bring my past or none. I be probably drunk as fuck, I won't crash or none. Yeah. Get him up out of there. 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 Yeah. Get him up out of there. Yeah.
Part 1. The breakdown picked up a rate. Part 2.
First out. We made it back to our side. You know what I'm saying? Got some gas for this. Some more gas for that. This is part of the territory. That car on E, we gotta work on it.
Yeah.
So they're gonna build a move.
Yeah, they got it.
I don't wanna work on it, got to start it and run the gas. So let's get them to this final destination. And we start this nigga in the morning. Start tearing them down. That 448 shit, nigga. Every time, that Explorer right there. Yeah, that's right.
Hey, I'm only gonna spend maybe 5, maybe 10.
Bruh.
I'm getting the fuck on. There ain't gonna be no 15.
Hey, this is the resting place. Me, I found like